in a state of doing nothing. The revelation takes place. That revelation that the peace and happiness are within me. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand, your awareness on the left hand. Lift your Buddha palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside the palms. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. We will have an experience. So everyone is, we don't see. So are you, Charlie? They are coming back slowly.
Here they are. I'm good. I felt very relaxed, and then I felt almost like I was sort of I was doing the practice, but then I was sort of separating from it and watching. So I was present, but I was away.
I was away. That is what I explained to you. The moment you separate from the false side, you are there. But because of clinging to the people, the world outside, the situation outside, we don't see the separation. So the false I becomes me only. That offers resistance, reaction, duality. Now I told you about this girl, this woman who was crying so loudly. So sometimes we cry outside loudly, but it doesn't mean anything. Because we are attracting. No, I'm not going into details. So are you, John?
Okay, good. I had no distractions, so everything's fine.
Beautiful. You had no distraction. You see, again, to expanding the same topic again, what we understand that the situation outside, its interpretation inside says I have no distraction from the outside. You see that? So it's a mental interpretation. If there is a sound from the fire department, they are not doing it intentionally for John.
Yes, they are.
They are. They are doing it intentionally. They have enmity against you. Do you see that once I understand this, so I keep on that understanding in my head. So what happens? The sound keeps on running. I'm not affected. I'm not affected. A song from Ariana or Beyonce is also a sound. So the sound from fire department, it's all your interpretation.
What about the sound of the instructor?
Ah, that too, how you give interpretation, how your interpretation is. If your mind simply says, this guy is boring me, then you are at loss because you don't get any knowledge. I'm still happy. Do you see that? All these five sense organs are neutral in their perception. Do you see that? The eyes, see, my eyes perceives you all without any preference or bias. Only it is the mind and its interpretation that causes the problem. And that is due to the false. How are you, Meet?
I feel awake and alert.
That's very good.
And I feel like my energy was very low when I started. And now I feel much more stable and present.
Very good.
Oh,
Wonderful. How are you, Sophie? Did your mind give in the right interpretation that this guy is boring me? With that,
No,
now share your experience.
I still do. I don't know if I become unconscious, but at some point I don't hear anything.
And you are still aware.
Depends, not always.
Yeah. So I think, yeah, go ahead.
I don't know how to change that because I don't have, when I do the practice on my own, I stay aware. Not always, but yeah.
So what happens is that state may correspond to a couple of things. That sometimes we fall into sleep, but that sleep is better than the ordinary sleep. The mind is clear, and instead of maintaining the awareness, it falls into sleep. So that is okay. That is good. That is relaxation. At least one thing has happened, that the mind has dropped the association with the false side.
Yeah.
So now today's summary would be that whenever I experience anxiety, problem, pain, suffering, I have to instantly become aware, is this false I playing a role of intelligent food? So you simply become aware, you simply make this statement, and then see what happens to you. No, I cannot be fooled. So you have to stop crying. You have to stop being anxious. And I can tell you, you stop it instantly. Don't start thinking, no, you do not understand. I have been in problem for the last 10 years. Do you think that it can stop instantly? Don't think like this. Then you are giving air to the false I again. You want to strengthen it. That is why we say meditation is happens, not is. Meditation happens in an extraordinary state of awareness, where we completely destroy the false side so that the real I reveals itself in peace, happiness, love, and wisdom. At least, John, you have started believing that there is a real self. Or no? Ah, yeah. See that? He's a nicer guy than all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.